Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Tab 10, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this tablet through settings. So to get started, obviously you will want to open up settings. So let's do so right now. From here, scroll all the way down to system. Then scroll down again. Oops, I just clicked on something by mistake, so scroll down, and in here you'll find reset. When you press on it, you'll then find factory data reset, and obviously you have only one option. Now before you click on it, I will mention this portion right here. So this process does remove all the data from the tablet, and if you keep anything on the tablet that you would like to keep, maybe photos, videos, documents, anything like that, do make a copy of it somewhere else, otherwise the data will be lost permanently. Now, assuming you have already done so, or you just simply don't want to back it up, proceed by selecting Reset the Device, do that once again, and this will now begin the process, which only takes a couple minutes to finish up. Once it has, we'll be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your tablet however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.